Let's learn names of domestic animals. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Guinea pig, G-U-I-N-E-A, guinea. P-I-G, pig, guinea pig. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Emu, E-M-U, emu. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Bees, B-E-E-S, bees. Thank you for watching. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.